Well, hello, my little artists. My name is Miss Cat with Comic Kids, and today we're going to be doing a really special drawing class, drawing one of the most popular Pokemon characters. We're going to be drawing Pikachu. So go ahead and take out a paper, pencil, and something to color with, and we're going to go ahead and get started.
Teaching kids art through comics, cartoons, and books. Comic Kids.
Okay, everyone, so we are going to start drawing Pikachu, our cute little Pokemon character that everybody knows and loves. Let's go ahead and get started. So we're going to start in the middle of our paper. I want you guys to take a look at some of the colors I'm going to be using later for Pikachu. Yellow, I'm going to use a little bit of kind of this brown ochre color, some black accents, and a little bit of pink and red in his cheeks and in his mouth by his tongue. So those are the colors I'm going to use later. Let's find the center of our paper, and we're going to go ahead and start by drawing his head. Okay, so I'm going to come off to one side and start drawing the side of his face, just like this. I'm going to give him a little bit of a cheek. I'm going to come kind of out and give him a little bit of a cheek, and then I'm going to go ahead and stop my line. So just a little bit of a curvy line, just like that. Excellent. And then I'm going to come a little bit wider over here. See how spaced out I am? And I'm going to draw the other side of his face right here. So I'm going to come out and just give him it's going to get a little bit wider right at the bottom for his cheeks. And then we're going to stop. Very good. Just like that. Now that we've got the side of the face done, I'm going to go directly into his ears. And you know, they kind of move around a little bit. So I'm going to do them, one coming out over here. I want you guys to take a look at how long I'm drawing it. So it's going to come to a point. I'm going to start at the top of our head here. It's more like the side of the face, but the top of the side of the face. And I'm going to just draw this line that connects it like that. See how it kind of curves just a little bit. Very good. And I want it to end at a little bit of a point. Then I'm going to do a very similar line, and I'm going to come right back to the body, then get into drawing the top of his head. So here we go. I'm going to come straight out like this, curve my line just a little. Good. And then stop. Excellent. That's one of the ears. I'm going to have his other ear come up from here, but kind of go a little bit more straight up. So this one is to the side, but I'm going to choose to do this one a little bit more straight. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to try to keep them around the same length. So I'm going to come up here, and once again I'm going to do a little bit of a curved line. See how it curves just a bit, just like I did over here? Excellent. And then I'm going to try to keep it around the same width, the same thickness as I did here. And I'm going to come back to my character's body. Just like that. Very good, friends. You should have a little bit of space here, and this is going to be for the top of his head. So all I'm going to do is connect his two ears to one another by doing a line with a little bit of a curve. Very good. Now, two little details that we're going to add are at the top of his ears. Real quick, because the top of his ears are a black color, we're going to color it in later. But you see I did a little line like this right here, and I'm going to do the same thing over here, a little bit of a curvy line, just the tips of his ears are black. Very good, friends. Now we're going to get into drawing Pikachu's face. So he has two round eyes, circles, and they have little white dots inside of them, a tiny little dot for a nose, a big smile, and then we're going to give him two red cheeks. So let's go ahead and start first with the eyes. And remember, they're round circles. So I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to do the best job I can drawing a circle over here. It's a little bit tricky to draw circles sometimes. All right, and we want to keep them a little bit wide. So here's one circle. And I'm going to do the other one over here. Good job, friends. Inside Pikachu's eyes, we're going to do two other little circles. We're going to leave those circles white later when we color our character. I like to call that area the white shiny bubble. That makes our character's eyes look shiny if you leave a little white circle inside of them. So we won't color that part later. Very good. Let's find the bottom of our character's eyes. In between them, right around this line, we're going to go ahead and give him a little dot for his nose. Very simple little nose. Good job, everyone. Okay, everyone, let's get started doing Pikachu's mouth, and we're going to give him this cute little smile. So right under our nose, we're going to do this shape. We're going to do kind of this curved little line just like that. Very good. So you're going to leave a little bit of a space between the nose and this is the top of his mouth. And we're going to come to this side and we're going to do that same shape again, just like that. Awesome. Good job. Okay, let's go ahead and do the bottom of his mouth and his tongue. So I need to connect that line to that line, this little end right here to there. And I'm going to do it by just drawing a line that kind of comes down like this and goes back up. Very good. So he's got his mouth open real nice and wide, big smile. And then inside of that smile, we're going to give him a little tongue. The way we do a tongue is just a curved line. Awesome, friends. Good job. So our little Pikachu character has these really cute little red rosy cheeks. So I'm going to go ahead and extend his face just a little bit on my drawing. You might not need to on yours, but on mine I do need to. So I extended it just a little bit. And then I'm going to go ahead and give him two big rosy cheeks. And the way I do that is I did a little semicircle on this side. That means a portion of a circle. And I'm going to come to this side of his face and give him another semicircle like that. Great. Now, if you want your character to have his chin on here, you can do that. I'm choosing not to do that on my character. But now we have our big rosy cheeks. Excellent. All right, everyone, let's get into drawing Pikachu's body. And the way that we're going to do this is by starting with his cute little arms going up like he's going to come give you a big giant hug, which would be amazing. So I'm going to come right here on the side of my character's face. And I'm just going to kind of come up and I'm going to start doing his arm. Now it's kind of a wide, short little arm. So I'm just doing a little line like that. And then I'm going to do one other over here, kind of this wide line. And then I'm going to come in, taper it. That means get it a little bit smaller. And I'm going to start drawing his hand in there. Really good. Okay, everyone, let's go ahead and draw his fingers. Now they're going to be teeny tiny. You're actually barely going to see them. So I'm just going to do these little bumps, just a couple little bumps. There we go. You see that I do some zigzags. Those are going to be his cute little tiny, teeny little fingers. Very good. All right, everyone, I'm going to do this arm coming out, giving him a big wide hug. So I'm going to do the same thing. See how I put a line kind of right coming off of his face? And I'm going to do a very similar shape that I did here with teeny tiny little fingers right over here. So once again, a little wrist and a wider arm. So you see how it's a little bit thicker here than it is here. Good job. And then I'm going to do the same thing I did here. I'm just going to do a couple little bumps. Whoops, whoop, 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 whoop. I did 4 tiny little bumps. And there you have it. A little tiny, cute little hand. Very good, everyone. All right, friends, let's get into drawing Pikachu's body. So I'm going to come over to this side and he's going to be narrow and he's going to get a little bit wider and then he's going to have little feet that are coming out on either side. So I'm just going to come in. I'm going to be a little narrower here. And then I'm going to give him basically, it's like a kind of like a bent leg, like a bent knee. So you see this shape I'm making? It almost looks like kind of a curvy little S. Very good. So we've got one side of our body. I'm gonna go ahead and do the other side. I'm not gonna make the curve as big on this side, but you can if you want. I'm gonna kind of come out a little bit just kind of wider. And then I'm gonna bring it back in again, just like that. Very good. Now he's got these cute little feet that are gonna kind of be pointing out on either side, and then we're gonna connect the bottom of the body like this. So all you have to do to create the foot is to do this. It's not a triangle, but it's like a kind of a little bit of a point. Not a severe point, but a little bit of a soft point. And I'm gonna do the same shape on this side as well. Very good. So we've got one foot that the 2 feet are kind of coming out a little bit, pointing out. You should have space right here in between your character's feet. And all we have to do is connect it with a line. This is going to be the bottom of his body. There we go. Excellent job, friends. We can go ahead and add some little details here by putting toes. I just put 2 little lines right there and 2 little lines on this side too. Very good, just to give him some toes. And our last detail on our character is actually really important. It is his tail. And the tail kind of has this lightning bolt shape. So I'm going to start drawing zigzags. And the tail gets wider at the end than it does closer to his body. So let's go ahead and start drawing zigzags. So zigzag is like the shape of the letter Z over and over again, in case you've never heard that term before. So I'm going to go down, and then I'm going to go back up, and I'm going to continue doing that a couple times. So down, and then up, down again. Now this other line that I'm going to do is a little bit longer, okay? Do you see how it's a little bit longer than this line? That's because I want the end of his tail to be a little bit wider. Very good. Okay, everyone, I'm going to go ahead and come out, and I'm going to start finishing up his tail and turning it around so it goes the other way. So you see this big long line that I did? I know this part might get a little bit confusing. Just do the best job that you can. That's all we can do in art, right? So I came all the way down. Very good. And then I'm going to start coming back. So I'm going to turn that. Do you see how in my character, both of those are called parallel lines. They do not touch each other. They're never going to touch. Good job. Okay, friends, so now I want to start coming back to the body and doing this zigzag shape. So I'm going to come up here, and I need to leave a little bit of space here so that I can do my zigzag. Excellent. So I'm going to come up like this, and I'm going to do another line like this. So I'm almost making, sort of looks like a rectangle almost, except I'm not going to touch it there. I'm going to just do more zigzags, and then I'm going to come back to the body. Very good. All right, so this shape that I created here, this kind of W, I'm going to make another W down here. So watch what I do. I'm going to come down, the first line of my W, just like that. Another line back up. 2 more lines, and I'm going to get back to my character's body. Very good, friends. So one more. You see how I'm starting to make a W? And then I'm just going to kind of get it a little bit closer to the body like this. Awesome. Oh my gosh. We made a zigzag tail. That was a little bit hard, wasn't it? Good job. Now, just how Pikachu has some black tips on his ears, he has a little bit of brown on his tail over here. So I'm going to go ahead and just do a little bit of a line here, a little bit of a zigzaggy line, and then I'm going to color this in brown and this in yellow. So let's go ahead and start getting started coloring your character. You guys did a great job. And there we have it, my friends. Great job drawing Pikachu. Okay, my little artists, I hope that you guys had fun drawing Pikachu with me, and I will be seeing you guys real soon. Comic Kids is a nonprofit helping children in the community learn art through comics, cartoons, and books. To learn more, see our website at comickids.org and follow us on Instagram. For more videos like these, like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.